Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate blockchain verification with Chainalysis, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of blockchain verification. Research the key features of Chainalysis and how it functions within the blockchain ecosystem. Visit the Chainalysis website to create an account. Fill in the necessary details to set up your profile. Once registered, log into your Chainalysis account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Review the various tools and services offered within Chainalysis. Locate the blockchain verification tool or feature within the dashboard. Read through the documentation provided by Chainalysis to understand its capabilities. Identify the specific blockchain or cryptocurrencies you want to verify. Gather the necessary data or transaction IDs for the verification process. Input the gathered data into the Chainalysis verification tool. Select the appropriate parameters or settings for your verification needs. Initiate the verification process by clicking the designated button. Monitor the progress of the verification in the dashboard. Once completed, review the results for accuracy and insights. Take note of any alerts or flags generated during the verification. Use the insights gained from the verification to inform your decisions. If necessary, export the verification results for reporting or compliance purposes. Consider automating the entire process using Chainalysis APIs for efficiency. Consult the API documentation to understand how to integrate the service into your system. Create a script or application that utilizes the Chainalysis API for automated verification. Test your automated solution with sample data to ensure accuracy. Once validated, implement the automation in your operational workflow. Continuously monitor the performance of your automated verification system. Refine your approach as needed based on results and updates from Chainalysis. Stay informed about advancements and updates from Chainalysis for optimal performance. Remember to maintain compliance with relevant regulations throughout the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.